In the DONGTAI production workshop, the company's core products, RSFK series of reducers, are being assembled in large-scale batches. The 4 series of products assembled in this series are known for their excellent performance and wide applicability. R series, coaxial helical gear reducer, compact structure, high transmission efficiency, is the preferred choice for space-limited occasion. S series, helical gear worm gear reducer, which has both high efficiency and self-locking function, and has excellent load capacity. F series, parallel shaft helical gear reducer, modular design, large transmission torque, sturdy and durable. K series, spiral bevel gear reducer, right angle output, smooth transmission, can cope with more complex installation needs. On the production line, each reducer has undergone strict quality inspection, meticulous assembly, and finally the whole machine is tested. Batch assembly not only ensures the high quality and consistency of products, but also greatly improves production capacity, can quickly respond to market orders, and meet the urgent needs of domestic and foreign customers in metallurgy, mining, lifting, logistics, environmental protection, and other fields.